Okay, now with these 3 items here, I'm going to make a solar light stand. You see I have a styrofoam cup, a terracotta pot, and this really pretty solar light that I got with a butterfly and flower on it. I'm going to be using acrylic paint. Here's a hole I put in it to stick the post inside. I'm going to be painting the cup to cover the words, and once the paint is dry, I will put it back in the pot and stick the solar light in the hole. Once this is done, I will show you what it will look like. Thank you for watching. If you like what you see, please let me know in the comments below. Please subscribe. And once you subscribe, hit that little bell next to the word subscribe. And you will get my other videos when I upload them.